Hi, hello. Welcome to Manama India A to Z channel. Today recipe is chicken biryani. Let's go to the recipe. Take 2 or 3 onion, then slice it. This blender light thickness. Put a frying pan to the stove. 200 ml sunflower oil or a cooking oil. Flame on. Fry all peppers in this oil. Then store a airtight container. Then same oil fry chopped onion. Fry well. Turn the flame down to medium when onion turns golden brown. Strain them out as soon as the color turns brown like this. Otherwise, burn quickly. Same oil, cashew nuts, 50 gram fry. Light color change a bowl. Okay, now it is okay, ready to change a bowl. Same oil, fry 50 gram dry grapes. Quick to change the grapes to a bowl. Take a vessel of 2 liter water. Put in the stove, flame on. 2 piece star anise 1 piece, mace 1 piece, cinnamon stick half inches pieces 2, cloves 4 piece, pepper half tablespoon, fennel seeds half tablespoon. Add the hot water. In making good biryani, use high quality basmati rice. Take basmati rice or biryani rice 600 grams. Wash with pure water. Then add hot water. Then take a carrot, cut into small pieces. Add the rice. Then mix it well. Correct the salt. Salt add, then mix it carefully. Add 1 spoon lemon juice. Then essence, pineapple essence, vanilla essence. Take a bowl, 2 spoon water. Add 1 tablespoon pineapple essence, 1 tablespoon vanilla essence. Mix it with a spoon. Then add the rice. Then mix it carefully. The rice is now ready. Close the vessel. Then using a filter, change the rice. Or clip the vessel, then filter the rice carefully. Going to ready the salad for biryani. Take a vessel, add chopped onion, 1 chopped onion, small size. Then small size 1 tomato chopped. Add, then chopped 1 chilli add, then coriander leaves chopped. Then add 1 tablespoon salt added, then 100 ml curd added. Then mix it well using a spoon. The salad is ready. Take 3 lemon, put in a vessel, add 2 glass water, 1 spoon salt, cook well. Then cut all lemon into small pieces. Curry leaves, chili 1 piece, ginger 1 small piece, garlic 5 piece, 3 piece. Take a pan into a stove, add sunflower oil, mustard, then chopped onion, chopped chili, ginger garlic paste, curry leaves, add the oil. Then mix it well. Then add chopped lemon. Mix it. Then masala items: turmeric powder 1 tablespoon, chili powder 1 tablespoon, pickle powder 1 tablespoon. Then mix it well. Low flame. Then add salt 1 tablespoon. Mix it. Then add 1 glass water. High flame. Then mix it. Then add jaggery 2 spoon or 2 spoon jaggery liquid. Then mix it. Wait for cooking 10 minutes. The lemon pickle recipe is ready. Now we go to ready the chicken. Chicken 600 gram. Wash with clean water. Take onion 2, ginger 1 small piece, garlic 5 to 6 piece, green chili 3 piece, tomato 1 medium size. Cut with small pieces. Then take turmeric masala items: 1 tablespoon, chili powder 1 spoon, coriander powder 1 spoon. Then masala powder 1 tablespoon, pepper powder 1 tablespoon, salt 1 tablespoon. Masala items included these all items, just boiled then powdered. This is the powder. Okay, now ready to cook. Put a cooking pan to the stove, flame on, add 2 spoon cooking oil. Add 1 tablespoon mustard. Then add chopped onion, mix it well. The color changed, add ginger garlic paste. Mix it well. Cook for 5 minutes. Then add chopped tomato, green chili. Then mix it well. Then add curry leaves. Then mix it. Low flame, cook it for 5 minutes. Then open, just mix it. Then add all the masala items. Then mix it. Low flame. Then add 2 glass water. Mix it well, then add chicken pieces. Washed chicken pieces. Then mix it. Cook for 20 minutes. Okay, now correct the salt. Then mix it. Then add curry leaves. Flame, close it. Then take a vessel, add 3 to 5 eggs, add 500 ml water, flame on, cook well. Take a non-stick vessel, the rice open, the rice is ready. All the chickens in the non-stick vessel, then low flame. Then put a fried onion. If you want more gravy, add a little more water. Then add a little more fried onion. Then add chopped coriander leaves. Then add all the rice in the top. Don't mix it. Then add the chopped coriander leaves. Then add fried onion. Then fried cashew nuts, dry grapes at the top. Then add lime juice, 1 spoon lime juice. Then 1 spoon ghee added the top layer. Then close the vessel, 5 minutes low flame, then off the flame. 15 minutes later, open the vessel. The very tasty and delicious chicken biryani is ready to serve. Last we arrange the biryani with lemon pickle, salad, papad and cooked egg. Thank you for watching.